Hello kids, welcome to Poco Online Kids TV. Today we learn and write colors name and alphabet. A for apple, B for bus and colors name. So let's start. Colors name: red color, purple color, black color, orange color, pink color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, blue color and gray color. Let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat, G for goat. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for snake, S for snake. T for tub, T for tub. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetables, V for vegetables. W for watch, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.